Hello friends, once again we are going to discuss about one important writing skill topic. Title of this topic is interview question. In your question paper, question number 7, section A is about interview questions, and today we are going to discuss how we draft an interview question set. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss how we can draft an interview question set. First of all, remember one thing. What are the necessary steps you should follow before drafting interview question sets in your answer paper? Read the given question carefully. Remember, first steps you should follow before drafting interview question set or 8 or 10 question. Read the given question carefully. Understood the personality and the related field of this personality. That is an important part of our drafting questions. Understand the personality and the related field of this personality before you can start your interview question set. So these things are important. The name of the personality, the field of the personality, both things are necessary. That will help us to frame meaningful questions in your interview question set. So, in today's lecture, first of all, I will explain you what are the necessary steps to follow while drafting interview question set in your answer paper or in your particular examination. First steps of drafting interview question set is proper beginning of an interview. Proper beginning is the necessary part, necessary thing. As you know, the related personality, and you cannot directly start asking them question or asking him question, and that is why proper beginning, introduction of your interview can be presented at the initial part of your answer. And how we can begin this proper beginning, how we can make such kind of beginning? You know, this is a well-known personality, and the proper beginning related to this well-known personality, we should begin like this. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. It is a great pleasure to visit you. It is a great pleasure to visit you. I am really impressed of your social work. I am really impressed of your professional work or medical work. Then, will you like to share some of your experiences with us? In this way, we can take a permission in the introductory part of the interview. And in the initial part, we can take the permission of interviewee. Will you share some of your experiences with us, with our audiences, etc. So in this way, we can make a proper beginning of your interview set. Then next steps, introductory question. As a proper beginning we can make, and then we start asking question related to the introductory part of their career, introductory part of their profession of the personality, as well as other relevant question to the particular interviewee. And this introductory part of question, when did you enter in this field? Did you get family support at first? Or another question we can, who motivated us to join this field or to enter in this field? such type of introductory beginning questions we can ask the initial part of the interview question set. After introductory question, next point is question relevant to the situation. After proper beginning, introductory question, third type, questions relevant to the situation. This is very important part of our interview question set. Our questions should be related to the field, related to the particular personality, his or her career, and one more important thing, that is our question should be meaningful. Though it may be short one, but meaningful question framing is the necessary things. Means at least minimum 5 questions should be framed here in relevant question part. And these all questions related to the field of the personality, difficulty level of the personality, achievement of the particular personality. Such type of question can be framed in this part of the interview. Then next, proper sequence of questions. This is also necessary thing in your interview question set. While framing the interview question set, there must be proper order, proper chronological order is necessary. According to the event happen, according to the event occur in the particular personality's life, you should ask a question with this method or a proper chronological order. Means this is the order you should follow. When did you enter? Who motivated us? Then when did you achieve success? What is your goal, etc. The proper chronological order can be mentioned in this part. So this is the proper sequence is necessary thing. Then one more thing also in a interview question set, accuracy of language. Accuracy of language is a necessary part while drafting interview question set. Language should be accurate in your question. Our questions must be meaningful. Any reader can find out the meaning of this particular question, and that is why question framing, the language accuracy is a necessary thing. One more thing, while framing the interrogation, not only just frame same WH word repetitive questions. What is your name? What is your job? Or what is your message? Not only just one WH word, you can alter WH word in your interview question set. One question you begin with the what, another question when, third question why, fourth question where, etc. Using variety in your WH question, you can frame interview question set, and that makes your interview question set attractive or meaningful, as well as the sentence pattern or WH question is concerned. So accuracy of language is necessary, and last point in interrogation set, that is the proper end. Proper end of your interrogation set is also necessary. In the way you begin your interrogation set, proper beginning is necessary, at the same time proper end of the interrogation set is also necessary. After framing 8 to 10 questions, we cannot leave our job half done. We conclude our interview question with a proper end. And what we can make a proper end? Thank you. You have given your valuable time from your busy schedule. We also like to present best wishes for your future career. So in this way you should make a proper end of your interview question set and conclude your interview question set. So in this way you can follow these steps while drafting interview question set. Now we are going to learn how actual interview question set can be presented in an answer paper. one example we are going to practice here. Suppose you have to take an interview well-known doctor, very popular doctor of your locality, and you have to ask 8 to 10 questions to this particular popular doctor about his achievement, about his profession, about his difficulties, etc. And how we can begin an interrogation set. So while drafting an interrogation set, at first give the heading of your interrogation set. Suppose like this: an interview of popular doctor. An interview of popular doctor. So in this way we should give a heading to your interrogation set, and after heading, proper beginning, we should begin your interrogation set properly, such as good morning. Good morning, doctor. It is a great pleasure. It is a great pleasure to visit you. It is great pleasure to visit you. I really impressed. Your social work and medical knowledge. Social work and medical knowledge. So in this way we should begin your interview proper manner. In this way you should begin the interview proper manner, and then start asking questions. One more thing, while drafting a question, so many students forget to give question mark at the end of the question. If you don't give a question mark at the end of the question, your question is not valid or not proper. So remember the thing, punctuation means question mark at the end of the question is one important part of our activity as an interrogation set framing. First question we are going to discuss: when did you decide to choose medical field? Choose medical field. When did you decide to choose medical field? Then another question we can ask in the introductory part: how did you study? How did you study for final year of MBBS? Final year of MBBS. Next question we can frame in this first part: in which university did you obtain your medical degree? In which university did you obtain your medical degree? So this is the introductory question we can ask. One more question: When do you set up? When do you set up your clinic? When do you set up your clinic? So this is the question at initial stage we should ask. And then now the next part, the probing question, questions relevant to the situation. दूसरा पार्ट पर अपन आने लगा क्वेश्चन रिलेवेंट टू द सिचुएशन और प्रोबिंग क्वेश्चन. We can ask a relevant question or a question probing to the situation in this way. I write this question on the blackboard. Now, next question which is we can ask who is your role model? Who is your role model? Then another question we can ask, what is symptoms of COVID-19? What are symptoms of COVID-19? What are symptoms of COVID-19? This is another question we can frame in this interrogation set. Next question, which medicine is effective? Which medicine is effective in corona disease? Which medicine is effective in corona disease? One more question we should ask in this part. According to you, what is more important? According to you, what is more important to doctor than his medicine? What is more important to doctor than his medicine? This type of question you can also ask to the popular doctor. One more question in this section. What precautions do you take during corona pandemic? This is a question we can ask related to the field, related to the particular situation. What precautions do you take during corona pandemic? And after that we can also frame another question, supportive question in your question set, like what is your message for budding doctor? What is your message for budding doctor? And another question, behind every successful man there is a woman. Behind every successful man there is a woman. What is your mother's role in your success? This question can be asked to you any interview. Behind every successful man there is a woman, and what is your mother's role in your success? This is another question we can ask. Then one more question we should ask related to the field. What are the difficulties or what are the challenges in medical field now? What are the difficulties in front of you now? This type of question we can also frame. Then general question we can ask to the doctor, what is balanced diet? What is balanced diet? We can ask a question. Or another question, is there any connection between diet and disease? Is there any connection between diet and disease? This is another question you can ask. Or how many surgeries have you done in your career, in your professional life? You can ask to the doctor, how many surgeries, successful surgeries have you done in your professional life or career? Then one more question we should ask to the doctor, that is, do you think advanced technology makes doctors' task easy and perfect? Do you think advanced technology makes doctors' life or doctors' work task easy and perfect? Such type of question we can ask. Nearly 8 to 10 question is necessary in this interrogation set, and after that we can come to the proper end part of the interview section. And at the end part of the interview section we can write, thank you, you have given your valuable time from your busy schedule. Best wishes for your future achievement or future success. In this way we can frame 8 to 10 questions and solve these 4 marks question, that is interrogation set. So remember these 4-5 steps: proper beginning, introductory question, question relevant to the situation, proper sequence, accuracy of language, proper end, and tense. Use of tense, proper language is necessary while framing question. At the end of the question you should give proper question mark. So remember student, watch this video carefully and learn how you can frame interrogation set in your examination. Thank you.